our goal now, fertilizer and pesticide, Abi.
Research has shown that the use of chemical fertilizers and herbicides in agricultural activities is harmful to the environment and human health. This training is to educate farmers on how to use agroecology, a friendly means in the production of food materials.
So we are here today to have this training with farmers to encourage them to go back the organic and the natural way of how they can produce this food that can sustain us. We hear of people say, oh, chemical is the right way to produce food. With chemical, we can get more yields. But we are here today to let them know that these chemicals we use for our food actually destroys the soil. Those things that are eating up the soil are these chemicals that are applied to it. Because you see these chemicals now, they don't just go for the food alone, they go for the soil. And outside destroying the soil, they also destroy the food, because me and you, we eat chemicals. By the time you begin to spray all of these things in the food you eat, in the bid to kill those insects and the animals, it gets into the food. And those things are not healthy for you and I.
And we try to learn how we can use an organic fertilizer that we call it our man-made, that physically that the one we can use to do our farm, instead of all this our chemical herbicide and fertilizer.
For the Health of Mother Earth Foundation, genetically modified organisms, GMOs, is not the way to go, and therefore concerned agencies need not promote it.
We also using this opportunity to canvass against genetically modified organisms. It's proven there are a lot of side effects, and we see that on the social and environmental and otherwise. The farmers get poorer by use of GMOs. The seeds cannot be stored, they can't be replanted, and all of that. So we think that is not the way for us, a population to go, especially the small farm holders in Nigeria.
Agroecology is the process of using natural means away from chemicals to produce food that are healthy for human consumption.